Hello, 𝗃𝗵𝗶 from 𝗦𝗵𝗆 is here. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to create your own Payoneer account step by step right here in Nigeria. So if you are living in other countries like Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, India, Bangladesh, and other countries, you can be able to follow this method as well to create your own Payoneer account. So before I get started, I want to let you know that this method is going to be a step-by-step method. So here back then in 2018, I first created my Payoneer account, and around March, and after I have created the account, I got a mail that my account has been approved from Payoneer. As you can see there, 𝗂𝗵𝗆𝗁. We are happy to let you know that we have approved the application for a Payoneer account. So I created my account back then and I got my account approved. So I'm going to show you the exact method on how you too can create your own Payoneer account that you can be able to start using to receive payments from different marketplaces, from different clearance. So the good thing about Payoneer is that it helps you to have a different US bank accounts. As you can see, when you first create your own Payoneer account, which I'm going to show you now, you are going to be given one US bank account, which you can use to receive payments from international clearance, from different customers. You can use it to receive payments from websites like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. So when you first get your own Payoneer account, you are going to be given one US bank account, but you can as well request for different US bank accounts, and you will be given them. As you can see here, I have 3 US bank accounts here. I requested 2 more, and I have used it to receive different payments. So inside Payoneer, you can also have a different bank account like a Canada Bank, UK Bank, Japan Bank. So, and when I scroll up and click on this activity and scroll to transactions, you can be able to see the transactions I've did with my Payoneer accounts. So it is loading, and I need to click on past year. So here I need to click on select this document and click on past year. You can be able to see the transaction I have did using this my Payoneer account. So as you can see, I have received payments from PayPal, from withdraw from my Payoneer directly to my first bank account. As you can see, $50. Here I received payments from my American Express Bank, sent $1.28. So this is the transactions I have did using my Payoneer account. So the good thing about Payoneer is that you can be able to use it to receive payments from different marketplaces like from AliExpress, Amazon US, Amazon UK, and you can use it to receive payments from your international clearance or private clearance. You can use it to receive payments from Walmart, 𝗰𝗵𝗆, in different places. So now it is time for me to show you the exact method on how to create your own Payoneer account. So what you need to do first is go to Payoneer.com. So this is it, Payoneer.com. Tap it in your address bar and come down here and click on register. But we are not going to click here. We are not going to go directly. So what you need to do is to click the first link in the description of the video. We need to click on it. So once you click on it, you will be taken down to Payoneer sign up page. So as you can see here, sign up and earn $25. That is, if you follow the link in the description of the video and click on that, you will see this option, sign up and earn $25. So I want you to earn $25 after creating your Payoneer account. So you need to click on that link and you'll be taken to this page. So what you need to do is to click on it. So I need to click on sign up, and I click on it. So you will be taken to next page. So here, let's find the account right for your needs. So here I am you click on this and you see a drop down menu. So what you need to do, if you're online seller, affiliate marketer, in this case I need to select individual, and as you can see, I'm looking to click on it, get paid by international clients or marketplaces, number 2, send and receive money between friends and family, or a PayPal case. So what I need to do is to click on get paid by international clients or marketplaces. So and this page will appear. So here, as you can see here, freelancer, agency or service provider, getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. So here, after we have created our Payoneer account, we can be able to get paid by globally from any clearance. You can be able to withdraw our earnings locally directly to our bank accounts, to our Nigeria bank accounts here, and etc. So what you need to do is to click on register. So I click on register now, and it will load up. So here we need to select our account type, select select your type of our business. So here I need to if you are individual, if you don't have a registered business, you need to select this number one, which is individual. My business isn't registered. But if you have a company, you have registered your business, you need to click on this company. But I will stick with this individual, which is my business isn't registered. So I need to scroll down and fill in my personal information. Like here I need to enter my first name. So what you need to do here is to enter your first name, first name and the last name. You can see first and last name as it is in your ID, be it national ID, passport, driver's license. You need to enter it exactly how it is there, and also exactly how it appear in your bank account, just your account name. So what you need to do is to enter it here. So in my case, I need to enter my name here. So I scroll down here and enter my last name, 𝗂𝗵𝗁𝗂. So this is my name. So here, email address. So I need to get the email address I want to use to create this my Payoneer account. So here I need to copy it. This is the email address I want to use. So this is this account I'm creating because I already have a Payoneer account. So this is a training purpose. This is a step-by-step method showing you how to create it, because I'm not going to use this account. So this is to help you, show you the method how to do it. So this is this account is for training purpose. So here I need to enter the email address which I have copied. So I need to paste it. So and the number two, I need to enter the email address. So I paste it because I have copied it. And here I need to enter my date of birth as it is in my ID. So select my date of birth. So here I select the month, March. So here I select the day. The day is 6th. So here what I need to do is to click on this next. As you can see, next, I need to click on it. So this is it. Now here this is the contact details field. So here you need to fill in the fields. So here the country is already there because I'm creating my Nigeria Payoneer account. So the country is there. So if you are from other countries, you can select it, but I will leave it in Nigeria default. So here I need to enter my address. So I need to enter my address here. So I need to enter my address here. So here I need to enter the city. Okay, I need to remove this character. So this is it. So this is my address. So I need to enter the postcode here. So what I need to do is to enter the postcode here. So what I need to do is to enter it 40332. So this is my postcode, and here I need to enter my phone number. So starting from 8. So I have entered my phone number. Click send code and enter the verification code. You will send to your mobile number. So here I need to click on send code, and they will send code to my phone number. So I need to click on this send code. So and they are sending the code. As you can see, you can request the code again after some seconds. So they have sent the code. So what I need to do is to enter the code here. So I need to enter the code. So I will receive it 525801. 5801. So this is the code I have received. So what I need to do here is to click on next. After entering it, you can cross check if the details you entered is correct, and you click on next. So I click on next now, and it is loading to take us to the next page. So here we need to create our password. So the password we want to use. So I need to create a password. So after enter the password, you need to re-enter it again. So I've re-enter it. Here you can select a security question. Is here. What is the name of your school? So you can select any security question here. So let me choose what's the state on which you grew up. So I select this one, the state. This, you need to remember this because they may ask it when you want to log into your account. So select anyone that is easier for you to remember, and select it here. And what you need to do here, issuing country or ID. So be it here I need to leave it in Nigeria, and here the ID I want to use. So if it's a national ID, driver's license, passport. So in this case I will use a national ID. So this account is for demo. So anyone you want to use, you select it here. So I will leave it for national ID and I enter the number here. So let me enter national ID number here. So after entering the national ID number, you scroll down here. You enter this code. This is a captcha. So after entering the captcha, you scroll down here. You cross check, and once the info is correct, then you need to click on next. So I click on next now, and we are here in the next page. So here, please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you or your company. So here we are going to enter our bank account details that we are going to use to withdraw from our Payoneer account. That's anytime we receive payment, that is the bank account you are going to withdraw your earnings. But there is no problem. You can later change it, or you add another account. So here you can select business or personal. So I will leave it on personal. And here the currency, if you have your local Nigeria bank account, you leave the currency in NGN, that's in Naira, and scroll down here. As you can see, click here for bank account registration guide. So what you need to do is here, National Bank of Nigeria. So you click on this drop down menu, you select bank account in Nigeria. So in this case, I will use my UBA. I will use UBA Bank, or let me use First Bank. So what I need to do is click on this First Bank of Nigeria. So here I need to enter the account name. So account name, 𝗰𝗵𝘂𝗁𝗃. So account name, here I need to enter account number. So here I need to enter my account number. So that is 311. So after entering your account number, you check this feed, and I suggest you read them first. So after checking this feed, then we need to click on submit. So here, as you can see, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now under review. So what Payoneer will do is to review our account usually within 24 hours or some minutes, and approve our account if our info is correct. So this is it. Your application is completed. Your application has been submitted successfully and review in progress. So this is it. So after doing this, you need to wait for within 24 hours. So after you have submitted your application, you need to wait for within 24 hours or some minutes, and the Payoneer will get back to you, either telling you that your accounts are being approved, as I got mine here. Accounts are being approved. So once your account is being approved, you can be able to log into your Payoneer account, and you will start managing it. So again, what you need to do is to log into your email account you use to create your Payoneer account, and verify your email address. So here, when you click on this one, you can be able to see we are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. This may take up to 3 business days, as you can see, and So what you need to do is to confirm our email address while waiting. So here, this one, please verify your email address. So I click on it. You can see there, thank you for applying for a Payoneer account. While we are reviewing application, please verify your email address. So here I need to click on verify my email. So I click on it now. So it is loading to verify my email address to confirm it. So here, as you can see, you successfully verified your email. So this is how to verify your email address. So once you click on it, you get this. Thank you. You have successfully verified your email. So what you need to do now is we should wait for 2 to 3 business days to receive a response from Payoneer earlier telling us that our account has been successfully approved. So once our account is approved, you can be able to use it to receive payments from different marketplaces, from different clients, from any part of the world. So that is how to create your own Payoneer account step by step method right here in Nigeria. So if you found any value in this video, kindly give the video a like and subscribe to this channel. Like the video. The most important part is subscribe to this channel. So subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop a new video, you can be able to get notification about it. So I make a webinar from 𝗟𝗲𝗁𝘂𝗀𝗀. So see you in my next video.